Are you seeing ghost reports inside of your Google Analytics 4? We sure are. And in this measurement minute, we're going to show you how we're seeing them, what we're doing about it. So let's go ahead and jump in. We are here inside of our Google Analytics 4, and we are under the Reports workspace and taking a look mainly under the engagement section because as you may have known in the past few weeks, we now have access to something called the landing page report, which has been really requested. So if we go down to the library, and then we go into, wait for the collection to pop up, and we go to our lifecycle collection, because that's what this is. We're going to edit this collection, and we see here's this beautiful, wonderful landing page that Google has provided for us. Yay! And so we're going to go ahead and come up, drag it, and drop it over here, put it in the order it is, and we're going to go ahead and save. And you're probably wondering why we're doing this. Well, for whatever reason, the older accounts that have been here for a while, it didn't automatically put the report in here. If you have a brand new account, something that's just a matter of weeks old, you probably automatically saw it. But for whatever reason, us old people or old accounts don't get that privilege. So we're having to come in here and add it and saving it and going through this whole process inside our library. So we come over here back to our engagement report, and it's a ghost report. So that's what we're seeing. We click on it. There's no words here. And we can even right click. There's nothing there. We can even hover and give it a second, and it's not doing the same thing as the other ones do. So we're going to come over here, and we can even see that this says landing page. Let's come over here to the customize report, and we can even go through and maybe try to save it and save changes to current report, just kind of see what it does, to see maybe if it kind of refreshes it, resets it or something, and it does. So now that is how we now have our landing page, and it has this little funny landing page, landing page, so it doesn't look as pretty as a brand new account, but we can at least have this name here so we can see what it is. So we can, if our clients come here and see a ghost report, they're not going to get wigged out and wondering what the heck is going on. So that is how you can have a ghost report. That's how you fix your ghost report. And again, if you have a brand new account, you likely don't have to worry about this. But for those of you that have already been ahead of the game and already have it set up, you probably wanted to have this fixed so you can see it too. So you're welcome, and we'll see you on the next measurement minute. Take care.